Hello, I'm Mark Baker, Corporate Floral Coordinator here at English Gardens. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful and simple way to use fresh spring branches in a creative porch pot. We carry a beautiful selection of spring branches, including different varieties of curly willow, dogwoods, pussy willows, and flowering forsythia. Spring porch pots are a great way to add a splash of color to any area outside your home, especially the front entrance. They are not only fun to make, but long-lasting and frost-resistant, especially with the unexpected spring temps. I will be using some pansies, ivy, Star of Bethlehem, lamium, and the flame willow to design our porch pot. Start by finding a pot that accents your home. It can be neutral, bold, modern, or classic, something that suits your style and decor. First, I will add enough soil and fertilizer mix to the pot to fill it just a few inches below the lip of the pot. I then will add in my flame willow to the center for some height and drama. Next, I'll be tucking in the Star of Bethlehem towards the center as well. I love their unique star blossoms and the bright orange color. I will now add in the lamium in between the Star of Bethlehem for some contrast. I am now adding in my pansies. They come in many color combinations: solids, bicolors, tricolors, purples, blues, yellows, whites, oranges, the list goes on. A very fun and cheery flower. Be sure to plant the pansies closer together for a more impactful full pot, as they do spread a bit slower than other flowers. Finally, I'll be using this ivy and kale to soften the edges of the pot and give it a bit of texture. And there you have it, a gorgeous spring porch pot. This will frame any entry beautifully, giving it that pop of spring color we've all been waiting for, that you can make at home. I'm Mark Baker. Make life beautiful.